Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. That's that Duramax 6.6 liter Turbodiesel, and it is sounding good. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the fog lights and tow hooks up front. Alloy wheels, 4-wheel drive dually, power sliding back window, and then you also have a tow receiver right there. See, it does have a spray-on bed liner and the LTZ package. See, it does have a light gray pinhole leather interior, the power outlet back there. See, it does have 2 driver presets, Bose sound system. Go ahead and give you a shot of this VIN right here, and then I will upload some still photos as well. See, it does have 2- and 4-wheel drive. There's your trailering settings. There's your heated steering wheel, push to talk, and trip computer toggles. As we look down here, you'll see that it's 47,956 miles on this vehicle. So you come over here, you see that it has both cooled or heated front seats. Coming down, you have 2 USB ports there and a 110 right here, which is super nice. And then coming up here, you got your comfort controls, your disc. And as you see right here, you have navigation. Your sound system is AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And there's your texting. And if you want to see your backup camera, there's your backup camera. Other trailering settings here. Glove compartments. You do have a wireless phone charging right here. Additional power outlets, auxiliary and USB ports in here. Cup holders. And this is set up for a phone charging station also. Come up here, and then you have your glasses holder, map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for the Chev on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was in an accident and had subsequent damage here on the driver's side door, front and center, and then on the passenger side as well. Airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.